Hey there, doctors. So today's the day we finally get a sneak peek into PrepLadder's best notes ever, Notes 6.0. So let's get started. Okay, let's unbox this. I'm so excited. Here are the notes. So I have the notes of preventive and social medicine with me. So let me show you how these notes are going to be a game changer for your exam preparation. So now as you open the notes, you're going to find the synopsis. Now what is so special about this synopsis? You can see that here we put good to know and must know tags. Now how are these going to help you? These good to know and must know tags are going to highlight all the important topics which you must know based on the number of times they've been repeated previously. Now let us start and let us review one of the chapters and see what are so special. Also, we provided you these tags, all right, to help you mark. Now I have with me one of the chapters today. Okay, let's review a chapter of, let's say, tetanus. Now what is the special about the content over here? So if you look at the content over here, the content has been very strategically designed, meaning this time we've tried to present you the content in a concise and crisp manner with the help of flowcharts, with the help of images, with the help of tables, okay, which is going to help in retention of the information and also enhance your visual memory. Now we know that medical curriculum is very vast. We have 19 subjects. It becomes really difficult to remember all of that, right? So to help you to remember, to help you to retain the stuff, we've tried to present all the information, all the important information, everything in the form of tables, flowcharts. As you can see over here, there's tables, there's images everywhere to enhance your visual retention. Another thing which comes out beautifully in these notes, look at this extra space over here. What's this extra space for? Now this extra space is provided you to be able to annotate your important points or any insights that you have. So basically these are single column notes, okay? And here we've given you this extra space so that you can write whatever you feel is necessary, important, or something that you might have taken out from the main video lectures, okay? Or put your insights. Again, that will help you for your last minute revision, okay? All right, let us turn. So here another important highlight of these notes are, look at this. Here you have the PyQ tags. Now these become very important considering the importance of the previous year topics. Now when you'll get to study these notes, immediately you will notice that, okay, this has been asked in NEET PG 2020 also as well as 2023. So again, this will help you prioritize the topic and this will help you in your last minute revision, okay? So that's amazing point about the notes. Moving ahead, you can see you have important information boxes. These important information boxes are going to highlight all the high yield points. That is again important for your last minute revision, okay? And once you glance at the page, you'll notice over here important information. So you'll keep looking at it and it'll get imprinted over here, right? So that's very, very good, important information boxes. Another good thing I want to tell you about the notes is that now you all know that considering the pattern of exams now, we have conceptual integrated things coming up, right? So in these notes, we've also given you integration tags, okay? Now here, along with neonatal tetanus elimination, okay, maternal neonatal tetanus elimination, we've mentioned pediatrics. That means that these are the topics which are overlapping with pediatrics also. So when you will be reading pediatrics, you'll know that these have to be extra emphasized on, okay? So integration tags really hold importance considering the pattern of questions that are coming today. Let's not forget the chanting lines at the end of each subject. Your lifesaver for last minute revision. So what are you waiting for? Gear up for success with Notes 6.0, your ultimate study companion. Thank you.